magic! Appear!
On a sunny day down the bustling street, there strolled a cat with silent feet, with a whisker twitch and a tail so neat. She wandered through the town, a furry treat. The cat street stroll in the afternoon light, exploring the world, curious and bright. With a purr and a meow, she roamed with glee. Join her adventure, come stroll with me. Gray and sleek, with eyes so wise, the cat sauntered to everyone's surprise. Through the market square and past the shops, she weaved through the crowd with graceful hops. The cat street strolled in the busy throng. Among the people she danced along, with a skip and a jump, a playful spree. The cat and the street, a sight to see. Up the hill and around the bend, the cat explored from end to end. She sniffed the flowers, she chased a leaf. In this lively street, no sign of grief. The cat street stroll in the setting sun, her day of adventure full of fun. With a twirl and a prance in harmony, the cat and the street, a joyful symphony. So come along, join the furry friend in the cat street stroll that has no end, where laughter rings and joy unfurls in this whimsical tale of the street and the girl. On a bright and bustling street so neat, a cat and mouse began to fleet. With whiskers twitching, tails held high, they set off under the sunny sky. The cat and mouse, a curious pair, on a street adventure without a care. With a purr and a squeak in happy sync, join their journey, let your spirits wink. The cat so sleek, the mouse so small, they explored the street wall to wall. Through alleys narrow, past the park, their adventures lit up like a spark. The cat and mouse, a joyful sight in the city's rhythm, day and night. With a skip and a hop, they danced along in their merry street song. Among the crowds and market's flare, the cat and mouse made quite a pair. Chasing shadows, following the beat, their friendship bloomed on the street. The cat and mouse in playful glee, in their street parade, wild and free. With a leap and a scamper, hand in hand, the cat and the mouse, a magical band. So come along to this street so grand, with the cat and mouse, a duo unplanned. In this whimsical tale of joy and cheer, the street adventure forever dear. Down the lively street they pranced, a cat and mouse in a merry dance. Whiskers twitching, tails held high, under the bright and sunny sky. The cat and the mouse, a curious pair, on a street adventure without a care. With a purr and a squeak, joy in their stride, join their parade, let the fun ride. In harmony they roamed the town, through alleys narrow, up and down. The cat so sleek, the mouse so small, together they explore it all. The cat and the mouse, a whimsical sight in the bustling street under the light. With a skip and a hop, they frolic and play in their own joyful way. Past the market, around the square, the cat and mouse, an unlikely pair. Through the crowds they weave and sway in this joyful street parade. The cat and the mouse in perfect tune, underneath the golden afternoon. With a leap and a scamper, side by side, the cat and the mouse, friendship wide. So come join parade of forevermore. Down the cobblestone street so neat strolled a cat and a mouse, a curious feat, with a whisker twitch and a squeak so sweet. They explored the town in a rhythmic beat. The cat and the mouse on a street adventure, in the hustle and bustle full of laughter. With a purr and a squeak, side by side, join their journey, come along for the ride. Gray and sleek, with a coat so fine, the cat walked gracefully in a straight line, while the mouse scampered, quick and spry. Together they wandered under the sky. The cat and the mouse, a mismatched pair in the cityscape, with a curious flair, with a skip and a hop through the town's maze. The cat and the mouse in a whimsical phase. Through the alleys and past the park, the cat and the mouse in the light and dark. They chased a shadow, they followed a sound. In this lively street, their friendship found. The cat and the mouse, a delightful twirl in this urban dance, a playful swirl with a leap and a scamper in harmony. The cat and the mouse, forever free. So come along to this magical street with the cat and the mouse, a duo so sweet, where joy abounds and dreams take flight, in this playful tale of day and night. Down the street with a skip and a prance, a cat and mouse in a joyful dance. Whiskers wiggling, tails in the air, exploring the world without a care. The cat and the mouse, an unlikely pair, on their street parade, a duo so rare, with a purr and a squeak under the sun. Join their adventure, come and run. The alleys over cobblestones, the cat and mouse not walking alone. In harmony they roam the town, their friendship shining, never to drown. The cat and the mouse in a playful spree, creating a buzz, just wait and see. With a leap and a scamper, side by side, in their street parade, let's all glide. The market beyond the square, the cat and mouse, a lively pair, chasing shadows, chasing dreams, in their tandem nothing's as it seems. The cat and the mouse, a magical sight, in their street journey, pure delight. With a twirl and a hop they prance and play, the cat and the mouse brightening the day. So come along to this whimsical beat with the cat and mouse, a duo sweet, in this lively tale. Under the moon, their street parade, a playful tune. On a bright and bustling street so neat, a cat and mouse began to fleet. With whiskers twitching, tails held high, they set off under the sunny sky. The cat and mouse, a curious pair, on a street adventure without a care. With a purr and a squeak, in happy sync, join their journey, let your spirits wink. The cat so sleek, the mouse so small, they explored the street wall to wall. Through alleys narrow, past the park, their adventures lit up like